This is my sister, Lou. That's Louise. And this is our dog, Louie. Lou and Lou. Safety Patrol. We're here to keep people safe. Good work, Louie.
Hey, Lou! And Lou, come on! You're keeping me and your sister waiting.
Dad, my name is Louise.
Oh, sorry. Come on, Safety Patrol, let's get moving.
10-4. What does that mean? I'm not sure, but Mom says it on her walkie-talkie.
Okay, is everybody ready?
Sis. What? A definite safety violation. Can you help Lulu figure out what it is, partner? Good job, partner. She's not buckled up. Should we ride her up?
Ooh. How about you let her off with a warning?
You're in luck. We're gonna give you a break.
Now, everyone buckled up?
Almost.
Well, who isn't?
You.
Me? Oops, sorry. Here we go.
Green boots, silly girl. Green boots, silly girl. Yeah. Yellow, green boots, yeah. I knew we should have written her up. What did I do now? A definite safety violation. Everybody knows how important it is to stay quiet in the car so the driver can concentrate on driving.
Yes, thanks, Safety Patrol.
Just doing our job, sir.
Hello? Okay. Ooh. Yeah.
Dad!
Oh, right. I'll have to call you back.
Cell phones can be a distraction to drivers, too.
Good work, Safety Patrol.
We're the Safety Patrol. We're here to keep people safe.